You might be asking yourself why you should bother with transcripts, but they are secretly the ultimate Swiss Army knife for every creator. A single long video or podcast episode can easily transform into a massive content buffet, including blog posts, newsletters, and viral social media snippets. Instead of exhausting yourself trying to invent brand new ideas every single week, you can simply mine the high quality content you have already created. This is exactly how high output creators manage to scale their influence without hitting the wall of burnout. Making your content text searchable ensures that search engines can actually read your ideas, which massively boosts your discoverability and long-term SEO. You effectively build a living library of your own thinking, which compounds in value over time. So in this video, I want to walk through the best ways to get transcripts and then show how to turn those transcripts into snackable, viral clips. Hi, I'm Alex, and I'll walk you through some free and paid options for transcription and content repurposing, starting with the tool that makes the whole workflow way easier, Vizard. But first, let's look at the usual suspects in the software space so you know exactly what is out there. Tool number one is the combination of Audacity and Whisper, which is free and runs entirely locally on your machine. If you are on a budget and a bit tech curious, this powerful combo allows for private free transcription without any cloud uploads. However, the downside is that it can be a little fiddly to set up, and it lacks those polished features like easy speaker labels or built-in editing. Tool number two is Riverside, which is a fantastic web-based option for creators who want both video and transcript editing in one place. You can upload a file, wait a few seconds, and the editor will show you a clean, timestamped transcript that allows for inline text editing. It even handles speaker detection automatically, which is honestly like magic for quick cleanup. Tool number three is Adobe Premiere, which is perfect if you are already living within the Adobe creative ecosystem. Dragging a clip into Premiere lets you generate a transcript with speaker labels and timestamps while the words light up in sync with the video. It is incredibly powerful, though perhaps a bit overkill if you just need transcripts without doing heavy-duty video editing. Tool number four is Otter.ai, which I personally use whenever I want low friction and fast results. It offers mobile app support, live transcription, and an AI assistant that can quickly summarize key points from your meetings. Tool number five is Sonix, which has been around for ages and is frankly scary accurate with their transcription. It offers tons of export options, making it a solid choice if your workflow ends at having a perfect text file. So, you have plenty of options, but remember that transcripts are just the raw material and not the finished product. Most creators actually want high-performing clips, consistent posting, and a system that does not suck up every single hour of their week. This brings us to Vizard, which is built specifically for creators who want to turn long videos into a steady stream of shareable content. Vizard stands out because it doesn't just transcribe, it scans your long videos to find the punchiest, most engaging moments. The AI actively looks for engagement triggers like big moments, emotional beats, or quotable lines and turns them into vertical ready clips for you. You can even use its auto schedule feature to set your posting cadence and let the AI cue clips automatically. Everything lives in one single place, so you can schedule, tweak, and publish across socials without constantly bouncing between different tools. Think of the transcribers as the miners who give you the ore, while Vizard acts as the refinery and assembly line. If your goal is to flood your social feeds with smart, optimized short-form clips, Vizard automates the repetitive parts. It cuts dozens of hours of busy work down to just a few clicks, though it is not intended to replace a full, professional editing suite. Let me walk you through a typical flow, starting with a 45-minute interview, which you transcribe first using a service like Otter or Sonix. Then, you point Vizard at that file so it can analyze the transcript and waveform to generate several high-engagement clip variants. Finally, you choose your posting frequency and queue them in the content calendar to avoid the daily manual upload treadmill. To get the best results, use a decent transcript as your input, keep a human in the loop for the first few weeks, and use the calendar to map out themes. The pricing for these tools varies, but the time you save will quickly offset the cost if you are posting consistently. For many creators, this is an easy return on investment because you get more clips, more reach, and significantly less burnout. Ultimately, use the right tool for your specific job, whether that is private local transcription or an automated social pipeline. If you want to scale without burning out, automate everything that does not require your actual creative voice. Drop a comment below and tell me which tools you are using, and I would be happy to help you map out a custom workflow for your channel. Thanks for watching. Good luck turning that one long video into a month's worth of content, and I will see you in the next one.